Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh.
Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscription button as you join us in house hunting journey. So today I'll be showcasing this newly built apartment. So from top to bottom of the building, from ground floor to the last floor, it's all newly built one bedroom apartment. So there is no bedsitter, there is no two bedroom, all of them are just one bedroom.
Cause it won't be easy, only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time.
So as usual, I'll be showcasing different units.
Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this
And starting off, let's start with this one. So this is your washroom. This is how your washroom looks like. You have your sink just behind your door.
all I feel? Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real.
And on this side, you have your bedroom. So watch the video till the end so that you can see how each and every unit is different in its own way.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
So you have been provided with white wardrobe.
Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want. Hear me now. Watch me go. Lose.
And that's your kitchen space. It looks like an open kitchen. So let's just say you have been provided with this pass through to pass your items through here.
Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
And your balcony.
I do what I want.
So one of the major difference you'll notice is the location of the balcony and the size of the balcony. So this is your first unit. This is how
Hear me now.
it looks like, and this is your living area. So your kitchen area, your living area, then we go to your bedroom and your washroom just right ahead. So we finished with that first house. Let's go to the second house I'll be showcasing today. So if you look at this second house, the design is similar to the first house. That is, you have a pass through here and your kitchen space, then your living room. The only difference, major difference between this house and the first one we've showcased is the balcony. So you have your washroom right here. And finally, your bedroom area.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late.
So this is your balcony.
You should probably forget me, cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with.
So we are done with the second house. This is now the third house. I'll be showcasing the third unit. I'll be showcasing. And first off, we start with your bedroom area.
Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run. And when it's all said and done,
So with this house, the balcony is also on the bedroom side.
you just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things and back to
And that's where we were.
me.
That's the second house we've showcased, and we are now at the balcony of the third house. So you can see the size of these balconies.
Your love for strings, but it's not love at all.
Are quite smaller than the one I showcased in the first house. So here is your bedroom space.
For strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing. I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. Run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run! You know you gotta, you know you gotta, you know you gotta run!
So this is your living space. Then on this other side is your kitchen area. So this kitchen area is quite larger than the kitchen area of the kitchen spaces I've showcased in the other units. You can see the cabinets that have been provided. You can see how long the kitchen counter is. Don't mind the jerry cans. So you can see your counter is starting from that end to this end. And on this side is your bedroom space that is connected to the balcony. Smaller balcony. So your wardrobe. Then your washroom.
been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go.
And finally, your living space.
Thought that you should know. I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
So we go to the next unit that is also slightly different from this one.
Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me.
So the difference in this one is that you have a laundry area provided in the house. So we start with your living room.
Now I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out. Whenever you see me, don't be wasting my time.
Then this is your kitchen. You can see it's just next to the living room, but the difference between this kitchen and the ones that were closer to the living room is that it's an enclosed kitchen. So size is the same as the first and the second unit I showcased, but design is different in that it does not have a pass-through.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want.
So here is your laundry area. This is the major of both houses. The other units I've showcased do not have a laundry area. So all the units located at this specific point of the building, from top to the bottom, have this space of the laundry area.
Watch me go. Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh,
So here is your washroom.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. I do what I
Where
want.
secrets go, 'cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run!
So one advantage of the building is that you have lift access. You also have CCTV cameras. The building is still under construction, but by the time I'll be posting this video, the building will have been completed. So that's your lift.
The truth, you'll be
You can choose to use the staircase or the lift.
over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run! You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but
So I have showcased all the 4 different designs on each floor, and
it's not love at all. My ego's still providing. I'm not the one
I hope you've seen the difference in all of them. So
who's driving.
this one is just similar to the first and the second unit I showcased, but exact as the second unit because of the positioning of the balcony.
But I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in my next video.